President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev has reviewed the ongoing construction at the new park near the Ganjlik metro station in Baku. Eldar Azizov, head of the Baku City Executive Authority, briefed the head of state on the completed work and upcoming projects for the park. Previously known as Antena Park, the area was in a neglected state before reconstruction began. Structures in poor condition were demolished, expanding the park to 19 hectares. The existing historical administrative building in the park will be preserved and restored. The new park will feature 2 restaurants, 2 fountains, playgrounds, and sports areas. Green spaces will cover 13.8 hectares of the modern recreational complex, and pedestrian and bicycle paths will be constructed. Additionally, a tunnel connecting the new park with the nearby D-Day Korkut Park is underway. President Ilham Aliyev was also informed about a newly established greenhouse in the Bina settlement area owned by the Greening Farming Union. The greenhouse, which will grow up to 1 million flowers, is expected to significantly reduce flower imports into the country.